So I've got a legit question for writers and authors and author talk, I guess. Maybe anyone else who wants to chime in. I don't know. I'm choosing to be vulnerable for a second because pretending to be unabashed and stoic about this just isn't working for me anymore. At some point, you just kind of have to admit that there's a problem. I know for a fact that part of the reason why I can't finish anything is because of my advanced anxiety disorder, and if my therapist is right, probably undiagnosed ADHD, and God knows what else. Dopamine and serotonin and all the motivational juices, they're not getting to where they need to be. Yeah, mental illness is fun, but like something else is in the way, like a something I can't get past, and I need help. I need perspective, I guess. I know it's not a fear of negative backlash or of criticism. I've I've been there, I've done that. I know how to deal with it. But I guess the question is like has anyone ever been able to like not release something or finish something because of other people in your life and they're not necessarily supporting what you do? I don't know really how else better to explain that without things getting really awkward really quickly. I know for a fact I don't need permission or validation from these people or anybody really to be doing what I'm doing, so that's not really the issue. It's not even really that I'm afraid of how they might take my work. I'm not even sure most of them would read it or have read it or care to even be involved or know if I've done anything, which is, I guess, maybe part of the problem. There's just like a mental block, like a psychological, emotional, maybe even spiritual block. I can't describe it. I don't even know what it is. I have a desire to write, to create. I've been doing it nonstop ever since the release of my novella. I don't stop. I just can't release anything or finish anything, really. And the worst part is there are people that already support me. Like, general responses to my work have been pretty positive. That should be enough, right? Like, I'm doing a disservice to people who are already in my corner. Like, why? Why can't I just power through? I don't know. I just don't know. Is anyone who can relate to this? Any advice? Any insights? Uh, I'd love to hear what you have to say in the comments, or if you want to stitch, I don't care. I just mostly, however you want to do it, I'd just like to know what you have to say, what you think, and if you have any solutions.